What's up guys, Jam here and welcome to my brand new channel. And today I just want to share to you guys a bit of my life story. A few years ago, like when I was still in high school to college, I used to be like a volleyball varsity player, like legit, like I was part of the team. And I used to be, believe it or not, in or belong to a dance troupe. I swear, I used to belong sa isang dance troupe. My gosh, can you believe that? Also, I used to do theater. So talagang very active. When I was in college, I used to do flair bartending. If you guys don't know what flair bartending is, ito yung pag flip-flip ng bottle, gano'n habang like sumasayaw ka with the music and entertaining people, gano'n. So I used to do that. Yes guys, in short, mapayat po ako dati. Fit, gano'n. Fit talaga. As in, kalahati ng katawan. And after college, nawala lahat. I swear, like, my lifestyle changed, like, totally. Like, I started drinking, I started eating a lot, I started slacking. Nag 1 year ako sa States, alam yung sobrang nakakataba doon. 1 month pa nga lang, nakakataba na. Paano ba yung 1 year guys? 12 months, ganun po. Kalaki yung nilaki ko kasi sobrang nag-change ako ng lifestyle, nag-stop lahat na activities ko before. Lalo na ngayon, okay, I'm a food vlogger and yes, that really adds calories and fats and pounds in my system. Sobrang laking tulong. And because of that, of course, health is affected. I got a lot bigger. Like I'm currently 335 pounds ngayon. Ganun po kalaki. As in, I swear. Like halata naman, diba? So one day, I just decided to like change my lifestyle. And you know, alam mo naman, you don't want to stay big and unhealthy at the same time for the rest of your life. Parang walking time ba? No, I don't want that to happen to me. And right now, I just want to let go of things that will not add value in my life, especially in my health, and bring back my lifestyle before a few years ago. I just want to lose weight, stay healthy, and look and feel good at the same time. So that's why I started hitting the gym, and that's why I started dancing again. And in the future, I want to start flaring again. Ito yung mga gusto kong gawin in the next few months. Syempre, unti-unti lang natin. That is the goal, to lose weight, stay healthy, and to look and feel good. Hence, I came up with this channel. Don't worry guys, my first channel, which is linked down below, will still push through. Hindi po siya mawawala. Kasi from time to time, I'll be uploading food contents pa rin. But in this channel, I'll be focusing on people who has the same struggle as mine. Maybe not obesity, but maybe the lifestyle. But maybe mga taong gusto ma-inspire mag-lose weight. Or maybe meron kayo mga kamag-anak or meron kayo mga friends and you guys have family there who needs inspiration. I want myself to be your source of inspiration. And at the same time, as you get inspired, I get inspired to really hit that goal, you know, hit that goal and really get things done through my content. So it's a two-way thing, you know. You guys support me, I support myself as well. I support you guys also. When do I upload? I will upload almost every day. Basta weekly vlogs to. Pwedeng thrice or 4 times a week. Basta weekly vlogs ito. Which will talk about 6 things. Okay, 6 things. Fat to fit, health is wealth, better is best, speak the truth, room for firsts, and journey with Jam. So dito lang po sa anime ikot lahat ng contents ko. And I'm very excited to share all of these to you guys. Kasi wala tayong gagawin kung di mag-inspire at magtawanan at, okay, maging healthy at the same time. So if you guys are interested to journey with me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell for update ka sa lahat ng videos na i-upload ko. Share this to your friends and your family who you care or you love the most. And comment down below ano ba yung mga contents na gusto nyo makita para mapaghandaan ko rin in the future uploads. And please don't forget to add me on my social media links down below. It's all there because I'll be maximizing all of these. Doon ako makapag-reach out more sa inyo, lalo na po sa Twitter and Instagram. I'll be very active there. Of course, active pa rin ako dito. Hello. Ito yung pinaka-main platform ko. So yes, that's it for me for today. I hope you guys are excited as much as I am. I can't wait to share my fitness journey, Jam version 2, with you guys. Bye!